To remove and replace a spark plug on your P2000i generator, follow these steps. Ensure the generator is on a flat level surface in a well-ventilated area. If the engine has been running, allow it to cool completely to prevent the risk of burns. Locate the spark plug access door on the top of the generator and remove the 2 screws and washers from the door. Then lift and remove the access door. Next, clean any dirt or debris from the base of the spark plug. Then carefully remove the spark plug cap. Using the spark plug wrench supplied in the toolkit, remove the spark plug. Inspect the electrode for wear and carbon buildup. The electrode should have a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion. Continue inspecting and replace if the electrodes are worn or if the insulator is cracked, chipped, or fouled. Carefully clean the spark plug with a wire brush if reinstalling. Using a wire-type feeler gauge, measure the spark plug electrode gap. If necessary, correct the gap by carefully bending the side electrode. Also ensure the spark plug sealing washer is in good condition. Next, thread the spark plug in by hand to prevent cross-threading, and then fully torque using the spark plug wrench. A loose spark plug can overheat and damage the engine, while over-tightening the spark plug can damage the plug threads. Reinstall the spark plug cap and ensure it is fully seated. Then reinstall the spark plug access door and tighten the 2 screws until fully seated. Lastly, start the engine using the recommended procedures in your owner's manual to ensure proper operation of the engine. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polarispower.com.